Hi, meet our CEO and credit strategist, Brian Fleming of Springhill Credit Solutions. He helps and advises customers who have less than perfect credit or no credit. And he helps mortgage professionals and realtors by increasing their pool of qualified home buyers. Take Mr. Steve Smith, for example. Mr. Smith came to us because he desperately wanted to qualify for a mortgage to purchase his first home. When we ran his credit, we noticed he didn't have any credit scores. His credit profile had only negative accounts. So, we developed a plan for Mr. Smith to not only challenge the negative accounts in his credit profile, but to also use our secret strategic formula for building up his credit. Within 4 months, Mr. Smith had credit scores in the 720s. Not only did he qualify for his mortgage to purchase his first home, but he also purchased a 2-family investment property. Mr. Brian Fleming, working in the credit restoration industry for the past 5 years, and have helped hundreds of consumers qualify for mortgages. Mr. Brian Fleming is a member of the National Association of Credit Services Organizations, which is the premier organization on compliance in the credit restoration industry, National Association of Mortgage Brokers, and also a proud member of the Board of Realtors of New Jersey. We take the risk off your clients by charging them after work and results are accomplished. If you're tired of your clients' credit holding them back from the life they deserve,